Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now I am going to solve question number 2 of weekly contest 461, maximum balanced shipments. Let's read the problem statement. You are given an integer array weight of length n, representing the weights of n parcels arranged in a straight line. A shipment is defined as a contiguous subarray of parcels. A shipment is considered balanced if the weight of the last parcel is strictly less than the maximum weight among all the parcels in that shipment. Okay, so let's suppose I have one shipment like this: 1 5 6 7. Okay, and here let's suppose 8. A shipment is considered balanced if the weight of the last parcel is strictly less than the maximum weight among all the parcels. Okay, so last weight here, let's say it is nothing but 1. Okay, so now I can say that this is a balanced shipment. Okay, a shipment is considered balanced if the weight of the last parcel is strictly less than the maximum weight among all the parcels. Okay, maximum is 8, maximum weight strictly less than, okay, 1 is strictly less than 8. Okay, strictly less than the maximum weight among all the parcels. Maximum weight among all the parcels is 8 only, right, in that shipment. Okay, all right, we have to select a set of non-overlapping contiguous balanced shipments such that each parcel appears in at most one shipment. Parcels may remain unshipped. Okay, important point. Parcels may remain unshipped. We have to return the maximum possible number of balanced shipments that can be formed. Okay, so once I explain this with an example, okay, you will say that this problem should be easy, not medium. Okay, so let's understand now example number 1. Okay, so here weight of the last shipment, okay, it should be strictly less than the maximum weight in that all the shipment. Okay, so here let's suppose this is one shipment. Okay, so in this shipment the weight of the last parcel is strictly less than the max weight in this particular shipment. Okay, shipment, so what is the max weight in this shipment is 5. Okay, and last parcel weight is 1. 1 is less than 5, strictly less than 5, right? True. So we can form the maximum of two balanced shipments as follows: shipment 1, in which we have 251 as the weights of the parcels, and maximum parcel weight is 5, and last parcel weight is 1, which is strictly less than the 5, thus it is balanced. Okay, now remaining is 4 3. All right, so in this again we have to start. Max is 4. Okay, so we have to keep track of the maximum weight in that particular shipment. Okay, and last parcel weight is 3. Last parcel weight is strictly less than 4. 3 is less than 4. Yes. Okay, maximum parcel weight is 4, last parcel weight is 3, which is strictly less than 4, thus it is balanced. Okay, so two shipments, one is 251 and one is 43, right? It is impossible to partition the parcels to achieve more than two balanced shipments, so the answer is 2. Okay, so answer is 2. Okay, so here we have to become actually a little bit greedy here. Okay, so if I'm starting from here, 2 5 1 4 3, okay, this is what I have, right? I'm starting from here, so in this shipment only 2 is there, right? Okay, now my I reaches here, so in this shipment 2 5 5 is the max, but here 5 is max, and if I take the 5 as the my last parcel, okay, so 5 is less than 5, no. Okay, so I'm going to move my I forward. Okay, so here I reach here. Okay, so in this complete max parcel weight is 5, and 5 is less than my current weight, okay, 1. Okay, so I have to become greedy. Okay, as soon as I find one value, okay, as soon as I find one value or one weight which is strictly less than the max weight, okay, until now, okay, then I'm just going to send this in one shipment. Okay, this complete. Next time I'm going to start from here. I'm going to treat this as my max weight first, 4, 4 is greater than 4, 4 is less than 4. Okay, no, then I reach here, 3 is less than 4. Okay, max weight right now, so max weight is 4. Okay, in this, and this 3. Okay, yes, so I'm going to send this in shipment 2. Okay, so I have to become a little bit greedy. All right, so here 25143. Okay, let's say if I give this example, 25145. Okay, so now what you are going to say? So again it is same now. As soon as you encounter 1, okay, take this as max bit. So 2 is less than 2. Okay, right, so this is nothing but my max bit, let's say, and this is nothing but my last parcel. Then my I reaches here, so 5 is less than 2. No, then my I reaches here, 1 is less, here 5 now, max bit until here is 5. Okay, 1 is less than 5, so yes, so send it to one shipment. Okay, then after that we are going to start from here. Okay, so take this 4 as my max bit. Okay, and here last bit. Okay, so my I is here now, 4 is less than 4. No, strictly increasing, we are talking about strictly here, strictly less than. Okay, so it is equal, right? So no, so then my I reaches here, 5 is less than 4. No, so you are going to say that we are just sending 251, but we are not able to send this 45 because in this shipment the last weight is greater than this. Okay, but when we are going to send, when our last weight is strictly less than the max weight. Okay, so we are not able to send this. That is okay, parcels may remain unshipped. Okay, so no issues. So here this is nothing but greedy, we have to apply the greedy approach. Okay, as soon as we encounter one valid shipment, one balanced shipment, send it. Okay, that's it. So code is going to be very very simple actually for this problem, nothing complex here. All right, so here first just calculate the total length, okay, of the weights, count 0, and cur max start from the weight of 0. Okay, current first value, right? Then just simple run one loop, and here side by side update the cur max. Okay, whatever the cur max, math dot max of cur max and weight of I. Okay, now here balance shipment condition should be current max is greater than weight of I, right? Or weight of I is strictly less than current max. Okay, so if we encounter this condition, okay, if this condition is satisfied, just increment the count. Okay, just increment the count, we have to become greedy here. Okay, now here if I'm sending one shipment and I'm starting from here now next time, which is nothing but I plus 1. Okay, this one, so I will check now this I1 plus 1 is there or not. I don't want to be out of this array, right? Index out of mode I don't want, so I want to check this I plus 1. Okay, if this is valid index, if this is valid index, then take this as the current weight. Okay, max weight for the next shipment. If I plus 1 is less than n, current max is equal to weight of I plus 1. Then again try this. Okay, then again, so you are just running one single loop. Okay, right, and you have to return the count. That's it, very easy code. Okay, right? So I hope that you guys are clear with this question number 2 of weekly contest. Time compressed is going to be off and only, right? Single loop. Okay, so if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.